group of protesters walked through downtown Hamilton today to say too many people are dying of mental health and drug issues in the city, and they say the health and social services systems are failing them. Al SWEENEY spoke with one family who told us their tragic story.
Say his name, Barry Dickenson.
This group marched through downtown Hamilton to call for more support for people with mental health challenges and to remember Barry Dickenson, who was 41 when he died in April this year during a mental health crisis.
I have to struggle with this every day. He's my only son.
His mother, Patricia, says Barry was in hospital after a suicide attempt, but was released despite an order for him to be held and fell to his death from her balcony.
It tears me apart every day.
The system is failing way too many people.
Barry's sister says he should not have been released from hospital that night.
He should have been made to stay here and get the help that he needed, whether it was to detox and then get mental health treatment, or just get the treatment that he needed. Like he slipped through the cracks.
These folks say Barry Dickinson's case is not an isolated example. They say this kind of thing is happening again and again.
And now we have the perfect storm, right? We have a medical system that is overtaxed, we have social services that are overtaxed, we have a housing crisis, and we have a drug poisoning crisis. And we expect people to get well on their own. Jennifer Bonner of The Hub says their social service center has a list of 30 people who've died of drug and mental health issues in the past year. She says the federal and provincial governments have to come up with money to help.
Feel free to grab a napkin, honey. You might need it later when you have your pizza.
These protesters brought food to the homeless at City Hall today.
They're all here for a reason, and they matter. They're human beings.
Saying everyone deserves to be treated like a person, and the health and social services systems have to support people like Barry Dickenson. Al SWEENEY, CHCH News.